Okay, so alright, today we will be having another problem about the application of the derivatives. So this is under the related rates problem. So this is the one of the iconic problem in the related rates or the application of derivatives, the street lamp and the shadow. So if you didn't discuss this in your derivatives, so sad to say that I'm sad na hindi nyo na-discuss ito. Kasi this is one of the iconic problem in the derivatives. Okay, so how to solve this one? A person is walking away from the street lamp shown at the constant rate of 4 feet per second. What is the rate of the cast shadow of a man and what is the rate of the cast shadow from the street lamp? Okay. So, the rate of the cast shadow of a man, ito yon, yung shadow ng man kasi ulitin natin yung ating illustration. So, ito yung ilaw. So, for example, pag ilaw niya, yan. So, naglalakad dito yung tao from this point. From this point, tapos lumakad siya papunta doon. Mula rito, yung shadow niya is nasa is kung saan siya nakatayo. Tapos habang lumalayo siya sa ilaw or sa lamp or sa street lamp is nag-i-elongate yung kanyang shadow. Humahaba. Habang lumalayo siya dito sa ilaw is humahaba din yung kanyang casting shadows. Okay, so yung tinatanong dito is what is the rate of the cast shadow of a man? Ito yung magiging cast niya. Tapos, dito naman sa susunod is what is the rate of the cast shadow from the street lamp? So, from the street lamp, ito naman yung humahaba. From this point to that point. Okay? So, yung ano natin, yung person natin is naglalakad siya ng 4 feet per second. So, meron siyang rate na 4 feet per second. Okay, that is, sabihin natin this would be the angle, I should say, the axis X, and this is the Y, yung H natin. Okay, how to solve this one? We need to find the given value. The given value is the dx dt of the man. Ibig sabihin yung kanyang lakad papunta dito. Diba? Naglalakad siya kasi papunta dyan. Mula from this point to that point. Okay, so that is the rate. So, ibig sabihin, nag-i-elongate yung shadow natin. So, this would be positive. Okay, at saka, ano naman yung hinahanap? So, actually, dalawa yung hinahanap is the rate of this would be the cast shadow of a man. And this is, the next one is this is the dx dt. Okay, ibig sabihin kasi from the rate of the shadow cast from the street lamp, yung changes ng shadow niya mula rito sa lamp up to this point. Yun yung hinahanap natin. So, kahit hindi na natin mahanap yung value ni dx dt kasi the most important thing to do is to find the value of dLdt, yung value dito. Okay? Yung value niya dyan. Kasi pag nahanap natin yung value na dito sa dl over dt, so isum up lang natin yung 50. Yun lang yung magiging sagot natin dito sa dx dt na yan. Kahit hindi na natin isolve yan. Kasi ito lang yung dapat natin ma-solve. Kasi ito lang yung magiging critical. Okay, how will you find this one? Okay, ganito lang yan. Diba? We have L. H over L is equal to 20 over x plus L. Kasi gagawa tayo ng triangle. Unahin muna natin itong triangle. Yan, itong triangle. This would be H over L. Diba? Is equal naman dito sa malaking triangle. Kasi similar triangle siya eh. Kasi parehas yung kanyang angle dito. So itong malaki, this would be h naman na malaki, that is 20, and the distance is x over x plus L. Kaya naging over din dito yung x plus L. So yun yung nangyari dito sa ating problem na ito. Okay, so manipulate muna natin itong problem or itong equation natin. So this would be h times x plus L, the quantity of h plus L times 20L. Okay, and then derive natin. So if we derive this one, this would be Okay, so derive natin. Ganito yung mangyayari. So ito magiging 0. Kasi itong h natin is constant. Kasi kahit anong pilit natin, kahit ito din naman magiging constant. Pero ito kasi yung nag-move yung ito yung tao na nag-move. Kahit kasi kahit ilang metro yung kanyang lakarin is hindi naman magbabago yung kanyang h. 'Di ba? Hindi siya nag-elongate. Yung nagbabago lang with respect to time, yung kanyang shadow. 'Di ba? Yun lang yung nagbabago. Pero yung tao is yung height niya is hindi naman nagbabago. That's why so masasabi natin that the h is constant. So we need to if we derive the constant is equal to 0. Okay? So ito sinolve natin to by product rule, di ba? H the first times the derivative of the second, and second derivative of the first. So hindi ko na dito nilagay kasi nagkukulang na tayo ng space. So dapat meron pa tong x plus L, the quantity of x, itong quantity. Diba? Kaya lang, i-multiply lang dito is h is 0. So, ganun lang yung mangyayari sa kanya. So, if we multiply the quantity of x plus L times 0, that would be 0. Okay, tapos dito naman is 20L. Okay, so ganito yung magiging values natin. Okay, that is the 20 dl over dt na, yung 20L kanina. Tapos ito, nakaderive na natin with respect to time, that would be dx over dt plus dl over dt. So, dapat ito makombine natin. Okay, so yung lahat ng mga dl, kasi yun yung hinahanap natin, si dl over dt, dapat makombine natin to. How will you do that? Okay, baba natin dito si h. Diba? Si h, baba natin. Okay, that would be dx over dt plus dl over dt is equal to 20 dl over dt all over L. So, si h is may value tayo ni h na 5 according dito sa ating sa ating illustration. So, ibig sabihin, mangyayari sa kanya, that would be 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4 dl over dt. So, lipat natin si dl dito. Okay, so yung mangyayari is 4dl over dt minus dl over dt kasi nilipat natin dito si dl over dt. Okay, and then we need to factor this dl over dt. So, mangyayari dl over dt times the quantity of 4 minus 1. Ito lang. Okay, so ito ay bababa natin. Diba? Ibababa natin si 4 minus 1, that is 3. So, yung mangyayari ngayon is dx over dt all over 3. Kasi yung value natin dito is 3. Okay, so, the dx over dt, yung merong tayong value ni 4 dx over dt na 4 feet per seconds divided by 3, that is 4/3 feet per second. Ito yung ating dl over dt na value. If we solve this dx naman, dx over dt, that is equal to 4/3 plus 50. Diba? Ito lang naman siya. Ito yun. Mula dito. That is a dx over dt, the change of the rate of the cast shadow from the street lamp. Okay, so I hope na nakuha nyo itong problem na ito.